How to add photos and video together in Instagram story. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add photos and videos together on Instagram story. So first thing first, simply head over to your Instagram application, and once you're inside here, just click on plus icon. So before we do that, let me just show you an example. If you just simply head over to your story, and when you try to add photos and videos, let's say I select a random picture just like this, and when you click on this sticker option, and from over here, when you try to click on this photos, you can select any photos just like this, photo after photo. You can readjust it, and when you again click on this same photo, you can see there is actually no any option to see the video clips. It's only showing the photos. So you can directly post your photo from the story. So what you can actually do is simply click on this plus icon over here, and from over here simply select the reel option, and simply click on any of the photos, select any photos and videos that you want to use. So let's say I want to use this video and this photo together, so simply click on next, and you can actually skip the part because you won't be allowed to download any video with the existing sound from the Instagram anyway. So what you can do is simply select the video and images just like this, like I showed you, and simply see this, click on this icon over here, that is save button over here. So once you click on save, simply save to camera roll, and once it's done, just wait for some time. So once you do that, simply click on your story now, and as you can see, your photos and videos has been combined to a single video just like this. And from over here, what you can do is simply put any music on this video and simply post to your story. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.